Doctors won't tell you this, but these 5 natural remedies have been healing people for centuries, and one of them might already be in your kitchen. Hey friends, welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where we ditch the chemicals and embrace natural living. Today we're diving into 5 natural remedies that most doctors never mention, but the results, shocking, powerful, proven. Stick around, because number 3 literally changed my life. Let's get into it. Remedy number 1, oil of oregano for infections. This powerful herbal oil is a natural antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal. Doctors often prescribe antibiotics, but oregano oil fights infections without gut damage or resistance issues. Great for colds, sore throats, even food poisoning. Just 2 drops under the tongue or diluted in oil. Quick tip: mix it with coconut oil for easier absorption and less burn. Did you know that studies have shown carvacrol, the active compound, to be effective against several bacterial strains, even Marseille? Remedy number 2, castor oil packs for inflammation and detox. Doctors may recommend NSAIDs for inflammation, but castor oil packs reduce pain, bloating, and liver toxicity naturally. Castor oil packs supports lymphatic drainage, eases menstrual cramps, and reduces joint pain. How to use: apply castor oil to a flannel, place it over the liver or abdomen, cover with plastic wrap, and apply heat for 45 minutes. Real talk, I use this weekly, and it's honestly a game changer. Remedy number 3, garlic for viral infections and immunity boost. Yes, garlic, but raw and powerful. Forget synthetic cold meds. Garlic is nature's antiviral warrior. Crush a clove, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin, and take it raw with honey or lemon. It helps fight colds, flu, even respiratory infections. Did you know that garlic's sulfur compounds boost white blood cell activity within hours? I once kicked a full-blown flu in 24 hours with this trick. Remedy number 4, apple cider vinegar for digestion and blood sugar. Doctors often jump to antacids or insulin regulators, but ACV improves digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. 1 tablespoon in water before meals helps reduce heartburn, curb sugar spikes, boost gut bacteria. Bonus tip: add a pinch of cinnamon for a metabolism boost. Remedy number 5, turmeric plus black pepper for pain. Relief turmeric is finally getting love, but most people, and yes, doctors, forget the black pepper. Why? Piperine increases turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Together they reduce chronic pain, support brain health, fight inflammation. How to use it: add it to golden milk, smoothies, or capsules. There you have it, 5 natural remedies that actually work, even if they're not found in your medicine cabinet. Want more tips like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which one you'll try first. And hey, if you're ready to kick harmful chemicals to the curb and take back control of your health, you're in the right place. See you next time on Home and Haven Living.